Hi, I'm Brother Dan, and welcome from our fourth video of 1 Minute with Brother Dan of Faith for Real Life. Baka iniisip mo ngayon, alam ba talaga ng Diyos ang pangangailangan ko? The Bible says, for your Father knoweth what things ye had need of before ye ask Him. Bago ka pa man magdasal, alam na ng Diyos ang pangangailangan mo. Hindi siya late, hindi siya bulag, hindi siya nakakalimot. Habang nag-iintay ka, magtiwala ka. Habang tahimik siya, may ginagawa siya. Kung may kulang ngayon, may tinatapos ang Diyos para sa iyo. God knows what you need and He will provide in His perfect time. This is Brother Dan, and to God be the glory.